So this is a short little video. I have a Tektronix TDS 744A, and this is just to help people avoid the same mistake that I made. So if you have a tight space and you want to take the feet off, and you don't want to break them because it's hard to source replacements for 40-year-old equipment, like, I did. I found that it's hard to do. These CHP needle nose work pretty well because you need to get into a narrow spot and you need to use a fair bit of force. So they have these little tabs. Seeing the thing explains the thing. And it's old semi-brittle plastic, so you gotta be both forceful and careful, I guess. I found that trying to get under it and prying it just didn't work. I have like dental tools that I tried to get under with, and I was just bending and breaking those. So these have serrations, and you just stab it in there and grab hard, and you pull up while pushing outward, one side and the other, and you wiggle. I'll show you on this last one. So this is just me stabbing down with it. Right in there. And I grab and pull up a little. And that's how you get the feet off of a Tektronix. Nope. And that's the broken off bit of dental tool that I tried to pry it off with. So that's how you get the feet off the Tektronix oscilloscopes, the TDS series. This one is the 744A.